Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11. It's an easy way to do. All you have to do is open settings, or you can press Windows key plus I to open settings app quickly. Now here on your settings, you have to look for a network. Go to devices, or you can also go to Bluetooth and devices. Now in the left sidebar, you have to look for Bluetooth and devices. Here on Windows 11, you should see that Bluetooth, and all you have to do is to turn on Bluetooth. At the top, you will see a Bluetooth toggle. So what you're going to do is you have to click the switch to turn it on. It should turn blue or say on. Now for next step, this one is optional. You need to pair a device. If you can see that Bluetooth right here, then you can tap on add device, the plus button next to devices, choose Bluetooth, then select your device from the list and follow on-screen instructions. So for a quick method, via quick settings, just Windows key plus A, open settings, look for Bluetooth icon, click to turn it on and off. If Bluetooth is missing, go to Device Manager, expand Bluetooth. If not visible, update or reinstall your Bluetooth driver. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.